Hello, hi, welcome to Science Institute of Education by Sam. Today, in this video lecture, I will be doing one writing task 2 with you, where I will be writing a complete essay, right, in which I will be explaining you step by step how we can get the insights of task 2. Now, the topic which I will be covering, as you can see on the board, it's in the future, we will have more and more leisure time as machines replace many of the tasks we do at home and work. Discuss the benefits this will bring and also the problems. As we can understand in this topic, that the topic is about the future, right? So we are going to write our benefits as well as the problems it can bring. Okay, now let's analyze the topic. In one of the videos, I have explained that we have to understand the keywords as well as the micro keywords so that we can generate our ideas accordingly. Let's focus on that. In the future, we will now, as you can see, this is also telling us not only the future word, we will have more and more free time, more and more free time, which means that this time we are having some leisure time, right? But in future, we will be having more leisure time, more free time, right? More leisure time as machines replace. So machines are replacing currently also, but in future they will be more replacing the tasks now where we do at home and work, right? So as you can see, machines, we are talking about the machines, right? We do at home and work. Now, this is the topic sentence. We have to paraphrase, we have to answer each and everything in this topic sentence. Don't look at this at the moment. What are the instruction words, right? So in the future, we will have more and more leisure time. As why will be having more leisure time? This is what we need to answer in the topic, right? In the future, we will have more and more leisure time. हमारे पास एक अच्छा सा हिंदी आने वाले फ्यूचर में, आने वाले टाइम में हमारे पास और ज्यादा स्पेयर टाइम होगा, क्योंकि जो मशीन्स हैं वो काफी ज्यादा जो हमारा वर्क है, जो टास्क है, जो हम करते हैं घर पे या काम पर, उन चीजों को मशीन्स रिप्लेस करेगी हमारी बजाय। यानी हम जो काम करेंगे, जो फिजिकल लेबर इन्वॉल्व हो रही है, जिस तरीके से एक्सेलेंस से हम काम कर रहे हैं, उससे ज्यादा बेटर मशीन्स करेगी। ऑब्वियसली आपको भी पता है, क्योंकि मशीन्स जब काम करेंगी तो वो ज्यादा फुर्ती से काम करेंगी, ज्यादा एक्सेलेंस से काम करेंगी। तो इट मींस कि हमारे पास वो टाइम कम हो गया। ठीक है, वो टाइम जो कम हो गया, जो हम काम करते हैं हमारा, यानी वो हमारे लिए वो समय बच जाएगा, तो हम उसके अंदर और भी चीजें कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो उस चीज के क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं? ठीक है, now instruction words that have been asked by the examiner on which we have to write. So your BP1, your body paragraph 1, discuss the benefits. So we'll be writing first of all the benefits. This is the structure of the essay which is already been asked, right? Discuss the benefits this will bring and also the problems. So which means we'll be writing the impacts, राइट? द इम्पैक्ट के जो मशीन्स हमारा काम आगे चल के और करेंगी, ज्यादा करेंगी, तो ह्यूमंस के ऊपर क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा। ठीक है, हमने ये चीजें बतानी है। तो आपको पता है कि हम लाइक लेट्स डिस्कस द आइडियाज। नाउ व्हाट थिंग्स यू कैन थिंक हाउ इट कैन ब्रिंग द बेनिफिट्स, राइट? तो हमारे पास बेनिफिट्स ये हो सकते हैं, हम ये बता सकते हैं कि जितना भी टास्क ये मशीन्स करेंगी, so in English, like whatever task the machines are going to do, right, they are going to do flawlessly, no errors, like very limited amount of errors, right? So which means we can also say that they can do in bulk, thus saving the time, right? We can explain those, right, into by giving some kind of examples. We have to give examples. Okay, then we can also say, right, these machines, right, the tasks which requires ultimate, let's say, excellence, right, or like in mass production, the machines can perform that. Now talking about the problems, definitely we can talk about some health issues, right, because people will start becoming lethargic, lazy, and we can also talk about unemployment, because don't forget we have home and work. So related to work, we can say that it will give rise to unemployment. Okay, now let's start writing. Now in this, I will be today, many, like people, they say, okay, you have to write 2 paragraphs for benefits, 1 for problems, or 2 for problems, whatever, right? I would simply say write only 4 paragraphs in total. Introduction, your main body paragraph 1, main body paragraph 2, and finally your conclusion. Introduction, will be writing a journal statement plus paraphrasing the topic, right? Plus, we'll be just giving a outline sentence, okay? Because here, discuss the benefits, right? This will bring and also the problems. So we'll be writing our opinion here. Journal statement, paraphrasing topic, and outline sentence. Now, in this, will be state point plus explanation point plus example plus, right, your short summary. That will be the structure. I have explained already in the other video how to write effectively. This is known as your developed response. Right, this is known as your developed response. Now then the same principle applies to body paragraph 2 as well, but only thing will be changing is the linkers will be changing. Okay, now conclusion will be restating the topic plus restating your information that you have written. So these are the structures that we'll be following today. Okay, now let's initiate writing a topic. I will be going step by step. Right, so in the future, we will have more and more leisure time as machines replace many of the tasks we do at home and work. Now let's write down a nice introduction with a linker, right? Instead of writing from nowadays, these days, try to avoid these expressions, right? Because these are overgeneralized expressions and we don't use that in task 2, right? Try to be very specific. Now journal statement, which means a fact, right? A fact means that something that is happening or something that has already happened. So we'll be writing a fact. Now that can be written with an expression. Now let's start. So there is not even an iota of doubt. Iota of doubt means that there is not even a single, like a very small fraction of doubt, right? So this is basically mathematical term, like a -1 and square root. So as you can see, like it's very many, like very tiny fraction. So there's not even a fraction, like a little bit fraction of doubt. So there's not even an iota of doubt that we are what we are now. This is a fact, right? That we are living. Right, we are living in the modern, right? We are living in the modern world where, right? Now, what we can say, there's not even an iota of doubt that we are living in the modern world where the domination now people are dominant, like machines, this is noun, right? How we can use it, where the domination, right, of machines, where the domination of machines is, now domination singular, so is notable, where the domination of machines is notable to the extreme extent, right? Where the domination of machines is notable to the extreme extent. Now that's just a journal statement. Now let's paraphrase. In the future, we will have more and more leisure time as machines replace many of the tasks we do at home and work. So try to come up with some kind of synonyms, or you can just simply, write in your own words, like not the synonyms, we can use that one as well, but in just the, paraphrase it in your own content. So extreme extent, that's the journal statement. Now, a wide variety, a wide variety, बहुत ज़्यादा variety, a wide variety of machines, a wide variety of machines is, because wide singular, is performing, is performing numerous tasks, is performing numerous tasks, right? Wide variety is performing numerous tasks um, in a perfect, in a perfect manner, in a perfect manner, and with the shortest time possible, right? So a wide variety of machines is performing numerous tasks in a perfect manner and with the shortest time possible, with the shortest possible, with the shortest time possible, right? The sole aim, the main, right? The sole aim, the sole aim of uh, now we can write the sole aim of the machines is to, now what is to, हमें provide क्या करती है, what does it provide? The sole aim of the machines is to comfort, is to comfort us, right? And in the future, ठीक है, ये चीज कंटिन्यू रहेगी, in the end, in the future we will have more spare time, ठीक है, and in the future we will have more spare time as machines will supersede, as machines will supersede, supersede means replace, as machines will supersede many tasks, right? So that's the paraphrasing done now. The sole aim of the machines is to comfort us, right? The main aim of the machines is to comfort us, हमें comfort provide करना, and in the future, ठीक है, the future में we will have more spare time, we will have leisure time, spare time, right? So we'll have more spare time. Q as why? So this is the development, right? Giving reason for everything. As machines will supersede many tasks, right? Now let's give an outline journal, outline sentence, right? This essay, this essay, now what we'll be doing, right? This essay will describe both, right? This essay will describe both the benefits and, right, the benefits and the disadvantages, the benefits and the disadvantages of this depend of, now what we can say, we can simply say disadvantages of this dependency, right? Of this dependency on where machines, right? So I hope it's clear. Now let's read once again. There is not even an iota of doubt that we are living in the modern world where, जहाँ पे होता क्या है, where the domination of machines, जहाँ पे machines पर ज़्यादा, ठीक है, machines पे ज़्यादा rely किया जा रहा है, domination of machines is notable to the extreme extent, बहुत ही बड़े पैमाने में. A wide variety of machines is performing numerous tasks in a perfect manner and with the shortest time possible. The sole aim of the machines is to comfort, right? Machines, यहाँ पे इसके कारण R नहीं, sole aim हमारा चल रहा है, ठीक है? The sole aim of the machines is to comfort us, ठीक है? हमें comfort, ये aim है machines का, हमें comfort मिले, is to comfort us, And in the future, we will have more spare time as machines will supersede many tasks, right? Supersede, replace, right? Replace many tasks. Now the outline, this essay will describe both the benefits and the disadvantages of this dependency on machines. So we are talking about the dependency, right? Dependency on machines, right? I hope this one's clear. That's your entire introduction. Okay, so you can, I hope you have must have written down. Right, now let's write the main body paragraph 1. In that, as the structure has said, that we are going to write about the benefits it will have, right? So remember, we have to write in the future tense only, right? So don't mix up that. So BP1, we have to start with a linker as well, right? Never just start like that. It's always good to gain marks in lexical resources. That the third marking criteria, lexical resources, which means vocabulary, right? In vocabulary, you get basically C2 based words, not just the supersede that we used, right? It's C2 based words, advanced level, and you're using appropriately. That is also good. Secondly, expressions we need to use. No, expressions does not mean your facial expressions. Okay, obviously in writing task 2 you can't show that, but expressions, what I mean is that, you know, there's some kind of directives which show the examiner that what you are intending to say, right? So now, which means, like, for example, when we're speaking, right? So for example is telling to the listener that you're giving an evidence. Similarly, in writing task 2, when we do write, for example, it means that you're giving some kind of evidence. So other directives are like to begin, to initiate. It means that you're starting your main body paragraph, right? On the other hand, however, these conjunctions also can be used, right? And they're also like directives. Now let's start with the BP1. So to initiate, to begin, I will do some linkers with you, right? These are all done in my class, like I always do with my students, right? To initiate with the benefits, right? To initiate with the benefits. Now, comma, punctuation, right, is very necessary to initiate with the benefits. Now, the examiner can understand that you're talking about the benefits. So, okay, right? I hope you're also clear. So, to initiate with the benefits. Now, machines. What are machines? Machines are meant, machines are meant to do what? To ease. Machines are meant to ease. To ease whom? Right? To ease human activities. It's AC. Right? Machines are meant to ease. Machines, if I translate in Hindi, machines बनी होती है human activities को आसान करने के लिए. So machines are meant to ease human activities. Full stop. Now ये करती क्या है? ठीक है, usually, comma, usually machines are able to perform. हम कह सकते हैं कि ये करती क्या है? Machines are capable, right? Machines are basically capable to do something that is not able to be done by humans. So machines are able to perform, right? What kind of work? Machines are able to perform tasks flawlessly. right? Flawlessly हो गया मतलब किसी भी तरीके की कोई दिक्कत नहीं उसमें, ठीक है? So flawlessly, right? Now machines are able to perform tasks flawlessly. किसकी बजाय? Than humans, right? Than humans. And फ्यूचर की बात कर रहे हैं ऐसे में, एंड इन द फ्यूचर ये चीज लगातार चलती रहेगी, ठीक है? इन द फ्यूचर दे विल, ये करेंगी, दे विल जस्ट डू दैट, Right? So usually machines are able to perform tasks flawlessly than humans. ह्यूमंस के बजाय जो ये मशीन्स हैं, ठीक है, वो टास्क जो हैं वो अच्छे तरीके से कर सकती हैं, वो एबल हैं, ठीक है, वो कामयाब हैं कि मशीन्स जो हैं वो इजीली ह्यूमंस की बजाय कुछ जैसे टास्क हैं वो इजीली कर पाती हैं, और यही चीज वो फ्यूचर में भी करेंगी, ठीक है, एंड दे विल जस्ट डू दैट, दे विल जस्ट डू दैट, ठीक है। देयरफॉर, इसलिए रिमेंबर नेवर यूज सो लाइक इन टास्क टू, ठीक है, हम कई बार सो यूज कर लेते हैं कॉमा डाल के रिजल्ट देने के लिए, लाइक यूज करते हैं एग्जाम्पल देने के लिए, नेवर यूज दैट, दीज आर इनफॉर्मल वर्ड्स, ठीक है, बिकॉज essay has to be written in formal, so therefore they will be, therefore they will be considered, इनको considered किया जाएगा, right, therefore they will, कहीं ना कहीं passive sentences भी लेके चलो, right, they will be considered to be, ये कंसीडर की जाएंगी सब्स्टिट्यूट, ठीक है, ह्यूमंस की, यानी ह्यूमंस की बजाय मशीन्स काम कर रहे हैं, सो देयरफॉर दे विल बी कंसीडर्ड टू बी द substitute, therefore they will be considered to be the substitute for humans, for humans in many tasks, right, they will be considered to be the substitute for humans in many tasks, right, कौन सी, जो, यानी which require, right, which require ultimate, बहुत ज्यादा क्या चीज, which require ultimate excellence, which require ultimate excellence and physical, जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा challenges, ठीक है, that require ultimate excellence, बहुत ज्यादा precise हो, ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा excellence जिसमें दिखाने की हो, और फिजिकल चैलेंजेस मतलब हार्ड वर्क जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा होगा, तो therefore they will, ठीक है, क्योंकि फ्यूचर में टॉपिक चल रहा है, they will, right, they will be considered, इनको कंसीडर किया जाएगा to be the substitute, replacement, ठीक है, substitute for humans in many tasks which require ultimate excellence and physical challenges, right, और इसी टाइम के साथ at the same time, at the same time, भाई इसी के साथ machines can, ये क्या कर सकती है, and machines can, right, machines can perform several tasks, machines can perform, right, perform several tasks together, एक ही साथ, और होता क्या है, and save time, full stop, ठीक है, अब ये चीज they can perform several tasks together, ये चीज and save time, ये हम क्यों कह रहे हैं, क्योंकि टॉपिक में क्या लिखा हुआ था कि people will have more and more leisure time, ठीक है, यानी मैंने वहां पर आपको तभी बताया था, राइट, सो पीपल राइट नाउ दे हैव स्पेयर टाइम, बट इन द फ्यूचर दे विल बी हैविंग मोर free time, right, so that is what we have proved just now. Remember at first what did I say, that we have to mention why they will be having more free time, because now we have explained in this body paragraph first only, right, so we have explained that they can perform flawlessly than humans, right, and in the future they will just do that, they will be doing the same thing, therefore they will be considered to be the substitute, right, they will be considered to be the substitute for humans, right, in many tasks which require ultimate excellence and physical challenges, they will be considered, so they will be substitute, they will be replacing the humans in performing those tasks in which it requires excellence and physical challenges. At the same time, machines can perform several tasks together, so they can do multitasking and giving you saving your time, so we have proved that, ठीक है, तो ये चीज आपको क्लियर है, ठीक है, यहाँ पर वो फ्लॉलेसली बिना किसी एरर के मशीन्स काम कर सकती हैं, ठीक है, और दे विल जस्ट डू दैट, ठीक है, वो करती हैं, ये चीज अभी काम चल रहा है ऐसा, और इसी रीजन के कारण वो आने वाले टाइम पे ह्यूमंस को रिप्लेस करेंगी कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटीज में जो बहुत रिक्वायर करती है एक्सेलेंस ऑफ फिजिकल चैलेंजेस. Like you can give, if you want, example of computers, like they can be used for war, research, or anything like that. You can talk about even doctors, right? As you can know, these days, like doctors, they use a lot of machines like microscopes and laser operations and all that stuff, which human doctor, like they can't do. Sometimes they can, do some kind of error, but a machine, a robot, can perform those activities with far excellence. Right now, this is explanation is done. We have given our next statement. The first point, like we have given over here, right? Machines are meant to ease human activities, right? So these are a point. Usually machines are able to perform tasks flawlessly. Now ease, we have explained this one. First of all, this is our point. They have ease human activities, right? How they have ease, how they are easing the human activities by flawlessly working, right? So this is why, therefore, now result I'm giving, they will be considered to be substitute for humans. What are we having? Spare time. Now what is left? Example, right? Because we need to support what we are saying. So let's use a linker. For instance, comma, every linker will have comma with it, right? For instance, a computer, never speak this word as computer, okay? It's always computer, right? For instance, a computer, like how we can say a computer can analyze with ZE or SE, doesn't matter, they both are correct, right? A computer can analyze, we can say a massive, right? A computer can analyze a massive amount of data, right? A computer can analyze a massive amount of data in a single second, right? In a single second. So this is why, so that is why, right? That is why in the future, what will happen? The machines, that is why in the machines where they can be used, we can use that one, that things, right? That is why in the future the machines will be used. Now in what kind of fields, right? It will be used in the war, research, right? We can use it in the war, we can in the research. We spoke about home and, right, work, so construction, right? Construction. And so what will happen? Human, right? And human will have more free time, right? Human will have more free time due to that. That's it. Because we have already given our result here, right? So we don't need to give another time a short summary, right? So for instance, a computer can analyze a massive amount of data in a single second. That is why in the future, the machines will be used in the war, research, construction, and human will have more free time due to that, right? I hope the entire paragraph is clear to you. Right, now let's do our second body paragraph, in which we have to write some kind of disadvantages, which means some kind of problems that people can confront. So try to remove face from your dictionary. In spite of face, right, you can use the words encounter or confront. Right, let's begin. So another linker, right? Now we have to write on the other side. So we can say on the contrary. Now the points which I will be covering will definitely be about, I'll be covering two things in this. One I'll be covering in terms of diseases, right? In terms of health, so central idea. and I will also be covering unemployment, because these two things will be noticing anyway. So on the contrary, on the other hand, yeah, contrarily, anything you can use, okay? On the contrary, there are, आराम से चलते हैं, so let's go slowly. There are some detrimental, बुरे, right? There are some detrimental impacts, collocation, right? There are some detrimental impacts, किस चीज के? Of machines, detrimental impacts of machines, and ये क्या करेगी? This will, ठीक है, ये ज्यादा सीवियर होगी, ठीक है? So and this will be more severe, this will be more severe, ये ज्यादा बुरी होगी, severe कब? In the topic किसका है? Future का, in the future. So on the contrary, there are some detrimental effects. Now this is how we can start. Remember, don't just start off by writing this. Remember, linker has to be there. Right? You're getting marks in lexicals, lexical resources. Right. So on the contrary, there are some detrimental impacts of machines, and this will be more severe in the future. ये ज़्यादा नुकसानदायक होंगे future में. This will be, ये होंगे. Right? Okay. कैसे? Now let's start. Now पता ही है हमें. So certainly. Right? SCERTAINLY. Like certainly, machines will क्या करेंगी? अब हमें पता है कि machines क्या करती है? Machines will हमें हटा देंगी. So हटाने की क्या? Relieve, we can say, right? So machines will relieve us, RELIEVE. Machines will relieve us. कहाँ से? From. Certainly machines will relieve us from repetitive tasks. Now obviously, why I'm writing this sentence, see, the thing is that right now humans are basically doing some kind of repetitive tasks, right? Like you get bored of it. So you will be very happy if you find out that there is certain machine that can do the task. You'll be like, oh, wait, let's have it. You know, how much it costs? Like 2 grand, 20 grand, doesn't matter. As long as, you know, I'll be free. We are all depending on machines these days, right? Because we are too lazy. We are becoming too lazy. So that's just, you know, like the simple ideas I'm picking on, right? Certainly machines will relieve us from repetitive tasks, right? ठीक है, but करेंगी क्या, right? But they will create, ये बनाएंगी, they will create few complexities. They will create, ये बनाएंगी, ठीक है, few complexities as well, right? So certainly machines will relieve us from repetitive tasks, but they will create few complexities as well, right? Certainly, although you can write, although machines will relieve us. Why I'm not reading although? There is only reason why, because right now I'm going to use one simple grammatical structure that I'll show you. I'm going to, in one video I showed you, replace if with should, right? But I'll be making a passive sentence of this thing, right? I'll be bringing the second clause into the first clause. How? Let's see. So they will create few complexity as well. Now we have changed it, okay? Let's say the risks of health, the risks of health disorders. Let's use this word. The risks of health disorders will increase, बढ़ेगी बहुत ज्यादा. The risks of health disorders will increase. कब? Should people um, leave manual works completely. Okay, the risks of health disorders will increase should people leave manual works completely. Now, this should, I'm replacing with F. Okay, so the risks of health disorders will increase if people leave manual works completely. Now, you know, with if clause, we never use any modal verb. Okay, so I've written the risks of health disorders will increase should people leave manual works completely, right? These are band booster structures. So I always do with my students, right? So there are, you know, like a total, in total, I have prepared 16 band booster structures, right? Those are very imperative. Now the risk of health disorders will increase should people leave manual works completely. Right, now let's explain that. So what would happen? They may, complete, they may get affected, right? They may get affected with several, they may get affected with several life, let's use this, life tolling, several life tolling diseases, right? They may get affected with several life tolling diseases for their physical inactivity. For their physical inactivity. They may get affected with several life tolling diseases for their physical inactivity. That they, वो जो चीज किया करते थे, that they used to do, right? That they used to do, कब? Before. So when? Before engaging, right? Before engaging with before engaging machines. Before used to do before engaging machines for their comforts. Right, before engaging machines को engage करने से पहले, right? So they may get affected, right? They may get affected with several life tolling diseases, right? Life means life threatening diseases for their physical inactivity, क्योंकि physical activity को इनकी होगी नहीं, ठीक है? That they used to do, जो वो किया करते थे, that they used to do before engaging machines for their comforts, right? I hope this one is clear. अब इसके अलावा जो हमने पॉइंट करना था एम्प्लॉयमेंट का वो भी लिख देते हैं. यूज अनदर डायरेक्टिव, सो बिसाइड्स कॉमा, राइट? इसके अलावा, सो बिसाइड्स मशीन्स विल ऑल्सो क्या करेंगी? मशीन्स विल ऑल्सो क्रिएट, बनाएंगी, बिसाइड्स machines will also create a mass unemployment, right? Mass collocation, right? Unemployment, बहुत ज़्यादा, right? Create a mass unemployment. वो कैसे? When, right? When machines will, जब machines करेंगे, when machines will be used, अब एम्प्लॉयमेंट, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट तब होती है जब बहुत ही बड़े पैमाने में कोई काम होता है, राइट? सो व्हेन मशीन्स विल बी यूज्ड for large scale production. This is also conditional clause. Okay, when machines will be used for large scale production, right? Kahan pe? In where? So in factories, right? So what will happen in factories? Uh, many I will explain you this. Many labor, right? Many labor will be eliminated. Many labor will be eliminated from their jobs. अब ये now many of you may think that why I've written many labor. ठीक है, many labor. Now this is a grammatical structure, right? Many people, right? Many people play. Let's say many people are playing football. That's just an example, okay? Don't write in the essay. Many people are playing football. Now grammar says many people, we can also say many a person. Many a person, right? Many people to many a person. So is West playing football? Now, with singular, we always use singular, right? Many a person is, right? Playing football. Rest, everything is same. This R will become is because person we are writing. The structure is only many a or an, depending on whatever vowel we'll be having. If we have any vowel like many an individual, right? But remember that it will be having S or ES with it, right? If it's a singular thing. For example, many people like to go abroad. Many people like to go abroad. So we can make it as many a person, like will become likes to go abroad, right? Many a person likes to go abroad. So remember many a person, right? Now it's just many people I'm replacing. Okay, many people to many a person. That's a very good grammatical structure. Right, so here let's go. So when machines will be used for large scale production in factories, many a labor will be eliminated from their jobs. The let's say the dependency on machines क्या करेगी? What will it do? Would be extreme, right? The dependency on machines would be extreme and और इसके कारण and owing to this means due to I'm replacing to owing to, and owing to this a single, right? And owing to this a single instance of failure, right? A single instance of failure or wrong, right? Or wrong instruction would bring now I just want to tell you what I really want to say here. Would bring catastrophic results. Finish. Right. Now, what I really wanted to say here is when machines will be used for large scale production, बहुत ही ज़्यादा production के लिए machines अब use होंगी कहाँ पे factories में, many a labor will be eliminated from their jobs. काफी जो labor है वो निकल जाएगी job से. The dependency on machines would be extreme. मतलब कि उन factories में जो dependency है वो बहुत ही बड़े पैमाने में हो जाएगी, right? So people will be relying on machines in like extreme, right? On extreme. So when they are relying on the machines only, then a single instance of failure, if any moment would come where like a single instance of failure or any flaw would come, one single flaw would come, right? An instance of failure or wrong instruction, if the person has keyed in the wrong instruction on the machine, what would do? It would bring catastrophic, like phenomenal, like bad results. Now, as you might have heard in one of the leading companies, I don't know, was it like a Mercedes or anything? I'm not too sure, right? And that, like, just because of one person's mistake, the entire production got stopped, but because of which the company faced a lot of, like repercussions. There was a big consequences, right? So that we can say onto the problems. What kind of problems people can face? Okay, so we spoke about health, we spoke about unemployment, and with that, results been given. Now, let's come to our last paragraph, leading us to conclusion. I hope the essay was clear. Non-conclusion, we just have to restate whatever we have written on top. So let's use another linker to encapsulate, right? To encapsulate means to conclude, right? To encapsulate, not capital, I opine that it is imperative, necessary. Imperative means necessary. To encapsulate, I opine that it is imperative to deploy. Deploy means छोड़ना, ठीक है? LOY. So deploy. To deploy machines, I opine that it is imperative to deploy machines in only कुछ ही सिर्फ, right? In only some specific sectors, in which humans they face like obviously difficulty, in only some specific sectors which are beyond, right? Which are beyond the reach of humans, right? Which are beyond the reach of humans. Further, that what we have written. Okay. Further, the increased. Now we know that if we will be having more free time, what is going to provide us? We are only going to get bored, right? Because at least we are busy in this mundane affairs, like whatever we have, we have this monotonous routine or anything, but we are still busy. Right? If we are having more free time, we would definitely get bored because there will be no work to do. Everything will be done by machines. Right? That's why we're saying that it is imperative to deploy machines in only some specific sectors which are beyond the reach of humans. Further, the increased leisure time will make, it will be only making, would make what? Life boring. Only make life boring for everyone, right? For everyone, and thus we should engage We should engage in that. We should engage in some kind of, like a activity. We should engage in some kind of work. So we should engage in the ordinary tasks, right? We should engage in some kind of ordinary tasks. Why? To enjoy. What? To enjoy, right? To enjoy a happy and a healthy life, right? So, to encapsulate, I opine that it is imperative to deploy machines in only some specific sectors, which are beyond the reach of humans. Further, the increased leisure time will make life boring for everyone. So, what we need to do, and thus we should engage in the ordinary tasks. Why? To enjoy a happy and a healthy life, because we have covered about diseases as well. Okay, so this was the topic, right? As you have seen that how we have narrated it, how we have given our, like a specific some points, we have developed them by giving explanation, by giving supporting with some examples, right? So that is how you need to write. Task 2 is very simple, seriously, right? It's just like many people believe that it is very difficult. Why? Because we neglect some things, we learn only few things, like this overgeneralized expressions. We write multiple ideas in body paragraph, but we fail to explain them. That is why we leaders with low band scores, like getting a band 7 is not difficult, seriously. Okay, it's just the basically the difference between 6.5 to your band 7 is this much only. Good grammar, you need to have a good grammar, which means good grammar and good lexicon, which means you choose good words to write your essay. Formal writing need to be there. Punctuation need to be, like very good, appropriate use, accuracy, right? Accuracy of grammar and accuracy of collocation. Like I've used mass production, mass unemployment, right? So that mass is appropriately used. Right, so these little things just needs to be taken care of. Daily writing will definitely improve your band score. Okay, I hope it was wonderful. You enjoy, and thank you very much for today.